Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, I'm diving into the Rodan Fields Redefine Regimen, a comprehensive skincare kit that promises to smooth wrinkles, boost firmness, and minimize pores. This set includes a clay cleanser, toner, triple defense cream, and an overnight restorative cream, all aimed at giving you a more youthful complexion. But does it actually live up to its claims? Let's find out. This skincare kit is designed to target multiple signs of aging, from fine lines to uneven skin texture. It includes 4 products: the luxurious 2-in-1 clay cleanser and mask, a pore refining toner, the triple defense cream with SPF 30, and the overnight restorative cream. Each one has a specific role in rejuvenating your skin, so let's break down how each piece of this regimen performs. Starting with the 2-in-1 clay cleanser and mask, this product is formulated to both cleanse and exfoliate the skin. The texture is smooth, with a nice clay feel, and it works effectively to draw out impurities without leaving your skin feeling overly dry or tight. I've used this in both its mask and cleanser modes, and I'll say it does a solid job of deep cleansing. My skin feels refreshed and smooth after use, and the gentle exfoliation leaves a more radiant complexion. If you have sensitive skin though, I'd recommend using this product as a cleanser more frequently and as a mask less often. Moving on to the Pore Refining Toner. This one visibly tightens pores and preps the skin for the following steps in your routine. The formula contains exfoliating ingredients that help smooth the skin, and I've noticed that my skin's texture feels more even after using it for a few days. It's not overly harsh, which is key for a toner, and it doesn't leave my skin feeling stripped. Definitely a plus for those with sensitive or dry skin who are still looking to refine their pores. The Triple Defense Cream is your go-to for daytime moisture and sun protection. This cream combines hydration with SPF 30 to help guard against environmental stressors while visibly reducing fine lines. It has a lightweight consistency, which is great for those with normal to oily skin. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy finish. But I do wish it provided a bit more hydration for drier skin types. The SPF is a nice touch though, making it a great option for everyday use. Now, the Overnight Restorative Cream is the star of the show for me. This rich, nourishing cream works overnight to replenish and firm the skin. When I wake up, my skin feels noticeably plumper and more hydrated, and I've seen a reduction in the appearance of fine lines after using it consistently. It's great for anyone with dry skin or who needs a little extra boost overnight. In terms of usability, incorporating this regimen into your daily routine is pretty straightforward. The cleanser and toner can be used morning and night, while the Triple Defense Cream is your go-to for daytime, and the Overnight Restorative Cream is meant for the evening. I've found that the products layer well together without feeling heavy or greasy, which is always a win. Let's talk pros and cons. The pros: this kit definitely works well for targeting multiple aging concerns, from fine lines to uneven skin texture. The products feel luxurious without being overly heavy, and I love how the cleanser both cleanses and exfoliates. The inclusion of SPF in the Triple Defense Cream is a huge bonus for daily protection. The cons: while the regimen is solid, the price might be a sticking point for some. It's definitely on the higher end, and I'd say it's best for those looking for a more premium skincare routine. The moisturizer might not provide enough hydration for those with very dry skin, and the cleanser's exfoliation could be a little much if you have sensitive skin. In terms of value for money, I'd say the Rodan Fields Redefine Regimen delivers, but only if you're willing to invest in a premium routine. If you're new to anti-aging skincare and are willing to spend a little more for a comprehensive set, this might be the right fit. However, if you're on a budget, there are other options that deliver similar results at a lower price point. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, consider brands like CeraVe or Neutrogena, which offer solid skincare options with similar ingredients, especially if you're after effective cleansers and moisturizers without the luxury price tag. So, does the Rodan Fields Redefine Regimen live up to its claims? Yes, it certainly does. It's ideal for those looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines, firm the skin, and improve overall texture. If you're ready to make a commitment to premium skincare, this could be a great addition to your routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.